Pradeep, student of Swami Vivekananda High Secondary School, Pandanad. Now, something about our vacation experience.
This vacation, we got a golden opportunity to spend our time with a foreigner. Yes, our Jake Ronisa from USA. For most of the students, it was the first experience to have a chit chat with a foreigner. First of all, we hold the students express our heartful gratitude to our respected and beloved headmistress Srimati Smita Eskurup for giving us such a chance. And also express our thanks to Ashwati Chechi, the former student of this school. It is as per her request that Jay sir came to our school. Really, we never forget the valuable moments spent with him.
Hey, I am Sana, student of Swami Vivekananda High Secondary School, Pandanad.
Our school was established in the year 1947, proudly saying that it is one of the most leading school in the Chenganu sub-educational district, which come under Alappuzha district of Kerala. Our school is situated in the bank of Holy River Pamba. The famous Parumala church is also very near to our school. Now, have a glance.
May the long time sun shine upon you, all light surround you, and the good Lord within you guide your way on. Because you are Indian.
Yoga, എന്തിന്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിലാണ് നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതം കെട്ടിയുയർത്തുന്നത്? സ്പിരിച്വാലിറ്റിയാണ്, ആത്മീയത നമ്മുടെ ഉള്ളിലുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ആ കാരണത്താൽ നമ്മൾ ലോകത്തിലെ മറ്റുള്ള
informative and experienced class. Today I am standing here because I want to thank you. The lessons for you helped me a lot and allowed me to concentrate on study and enjoy nature and on the.
Good day, sir. Today I am here to say thank you to you on the behalf of Vendra School.
Hello, I am Ananya from SVJS Pandana. Dear sir, we enjoyed your classes very much. Your classes were very interactive. You are a humble person. You taught us the importance of meditation, which is helpful to our life. So I wish you a happy and healthy life. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ritika from SVHS Pandra. Really, it was a great experience when we chat with him. So friendly was his approach. We never forget the valuable time. We really miss you, sir. Thank you.